Hey everyone, Ryan with Von Schiller Family Experience. I'm here to talk about how to set up your spin room or your Peloton bike area with some cool lights and some great sound. Being someone that's in the sound and lighting industry, it was definitely something that I had to do. The Peloton bike doesn't have the great sound, and that was the first thing that I needed to upgrade. So I'm going to tell you what I did, and everything that I'm talking about is in the description below, so you can get on Amazon and order it yourself. It's inexpensive. It's not really, high-end, super expensive stuff. I just got some Amazon stuff and it works out great. So let's start with the lighting right here. We did 4 uplights, just nice little RGB uplights. They're plastic case, about 75 bucks. The lighting I use for my industry, they range from $150 to $350 or more. They can go up from there a piece. This was 75 bucks for like 4 of them. They come with a nice little remote, which makes it great. You can control red, green, blue, or the RGB, color mixing, fading. You can have it sound activated, going to the beat. Really cool for setting that ambiance in your spin area or spin room. The next thing I did was sound. So I set up 2 studio speakers. Again, you can find them on Amazon. They're in the link below. They've got separate bass and treble and a volume, and they are Bluetooth. So you can just wireless connect them to your Peloton bike with the Bluetooth. So makes it nice. The stands that I got for them, you can run the wires down. So the speaker wire that you're gonna run down that and over to the other one, you can conceal it. The only thing you can't conceal inside the stand is the power cord. So I just used some zip ties and kind of just tied it really nice and clean. But they sound great. They sound awesome. I do a lot of EDM and groove rides, and I like to hear it rocking. I want to hear that bass, and I want to ride to the beat. So they sound awesome. Definitely a big upgrade compared to the built-in speakers. The other thing we did is a nice little shelf behind the bike. It just holds our extra shoes, holds a lot of the different things that we need for the bike and for yoga, like the yoga blocks and some of the other stuff. So it's a great little stand, nice wood, and it works out really nice. So we've been happy with the bike. It's been great. It's cool to just kind of set the mood in here. I went to a Soul Cycle one time and just fell in love with it. Our local spin classes didn't have the vibe that I was going for. So hope you like everything we got set up for our bike. You can get it once again in the description below and get your room all set up the way you like it and get spinning.